lecture class on how to update purchase pin on Recharge and Get Paid. Recharge and Get Paid has introduced something like another security layer on your wallet balance to make sure that there's nothing like an unauthorized movement of money in a Recharge and Get Paid members e-wallet balance. So having said that, let's go through the process of how to update purchase pin on Recharge and Get Paid. You have to first of all, before you can do that, you have to first of all check your profile details and you look at update my profile to make sure that you have access to the email address you have in your profile, because that's where Recharge and Get Paid would send the purchase pin, the first purchase pin. So with that you can now reset. Now if you check here, you will see email address. That's this is my own email address, so yours should be showing here. If you don't have access to it, you can contact Recharge and Get Paid through any of the means showing on their website RechargeAndGetPaid.com. You scroll down to the bottom of the page, you can send an email to them at info@RechargeAndGetPaid.com. You can call them on phone, or you can contact them through any of these numbers. Now when you contact them, you tell them you want to change the email address in your profile, and they will help you do that. Once they have changed the email address for you, you can now set your purchase pin. If you come here, you click on, if you go through the profile details, you click on purchase pin update. If you click on it, you can see it say profile details, purchase pin update, security pin. Now the first one will be sent to your email address. That's why I said you should make sure you have access to that email address. The first one will be sent here. So in this case, what you need to do is click on didn't get a code, resend. You click on it, then wait to get a notification that the pin has been sent to your email address. Now let's wait for the notification. Now the notification has come, alert from Recharge and Get Paid. Please check your email for a message with your pin to set your purchase pin. You click on OK. Now you go to your email address to find if they have sent the pin to you. Now sometimes the pin takes a little bit of time before it comes into your email inbox. Just wait for it. When it comes, you go to it. Let me check, let me refresh. Now the pin has come. This is my own purchase pin. Said you click on it. Now this is my username. Hi, this is my username. The request is sent to your Recharge and Get Paid security pin code. Enter the following security pin code. Now all you need to do is just copy the pin. Let me copy the pin. You go back to your Recharge and Get Paid account. Now you enter it here, you paste it. Now this new purchase pin is where you enter your own personal pin, something like that is very personal to you. You don't give it out to anybody on whatever occasion, except when you're authorizing the person to make any transaction on your behalf. So even if the person created the account for you, your upline, whoever the person is, don't give your purchase pin to the person. Now let me create my own personal pin. Now you enter it yet again. It should be 7 digits. Now with that done, you click on reset my purchase pin. Okay, yeah, I know why it said that, because I entered 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So they said they gave you an instance of pin that has not been allowed, so they don't want somebody to guess your pin. Let me go back and copy the pin again. Let me copy it again. Now in this case, this time around I'll be using something unique. So they say 0001111234567. It's not allowed. In my own case, I used 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. They say it's not allowed. Let me try another pin. Now I'm done with it. Let me click on reset my purchase pin. Now you can see it as this is the message: congratulations, your purchase pin was set successfully. So with this now, you have been able to set your purchase pin. So when you want to do any transaction like recharge, you now enter the mobile number you want to recharge. Now you verify the mobile is an MTN number. You click on buy airtime. Are you sure you want to buy airtime? You click on OK. Now you'll be asked to select the amount 100. You now enter the purchase pin, your purchase pin. When you enter your purchase pin, you click on transfer airtime. That's all you need to change your purchase pin on Recharge and Get Paid. Now if, let's say for example, you forget the pin, you still come back to this place, purchase pin update, you click on it, you enter your purchase pin. If you can't remember the old one, you still click on didn't get a code, they will still resend it to your email address. Then from there you copy, then select another new pin, and the pin will be set for you. A new pin will be updated for you. Now thank you once again for staying with me through this very video. And if you are yet to join Recharge and Get Paid, simple, no problem, just contact me on 00563 707 122 to become a member of Recharge and Get Paid. Thank you once again for watching.